Hey y'all, what's up? It's Gabby. Today we're doing a double unboxing. I bought 2 items from Fashion File over the weekend. I actually reserved them. The reason why I purchased these 2 items was, one, I sold Fashion File my Gucci Dionysus, and for that I got store credit, and I used that towards another bag. And the other bag that I purchased, I've wanted for such a long time, and it was a good price, so I decided to get it. So I'm going to be honest, I already opened them because I was too anxious, and yeah. So here's the box. It's going to look a little different than how I got it, but just already stacked everything up. So the first thing that I saw was this little guy. I'm going to open it. And inside you just get certified thing here. You get your receipt and just some other stuff. And then this box came with a bunch of these little like things here. I really love how they package their stuff. And yeah, let's just get right to it because I'm excited about it. So this is how it comes in the box. It's just wrapped in some nice tissue paper and a little sticker. And Fashion File gives you their own dust bag. And this is what it looks like. I'm so excited. So you can probably see what it is already. Woo-hoo! So this is the Louis Vuitton Pochette accessoire in the new model, and it has the longer strap, which I love. Just gonna put it on real quick. And this one is in excellent condition. The patina is super nice. It's not even that honeyed, but even so, I love the color right now. And I'm just gonna cut this off right now. So I'm taking this guy off. Here's what it looks like. And so it looks like on the strap. And it came with bubble wrap, if I didn't say that. And this is what it looks like on the inside, just a big hole. The inside looks really good. It comes with that little pocket that y'all know about. Inspecting it for the second time, it looks really good. I did notice on the strap near the little thing here, oh yeah, there's like this little, looks like a little bruise. But honestly, it's not terrible, and I don't really mind. So this is her. And I'll definitely compare it to my Toiletry 19 to show you what that looks like. But I love the patina on it already. It looks so good. And I think this one was made in 2016. And this one was made in France too, which is awesome. So I'm going to put this one off to the side. And I'll put it here. The rest of the box, there's just like a bunch of like random paper and such. So this one is a little bit bigger. So let's get to unboxing or unwrapping this guy here. This is the bag that I saw first, and like I said, this one was essentially a trade for my Gucci Dionysus in the small size, and that one's currently on sale on our website right now. Here she is. It is the YSL Loulou Puffer bag in the small size with the silver hardware and the black lambskin. No joke, when I've like watched, I think all the videos you can on a Loulou Puffer, and everyone says it feels like a pillow, and oh my god, it does. So I already moved the tag on this one because I just tried it on, and then the little tag was getting annoying, so I took it off, and look at it. Honestly, I thought it was going to be way bigger than I thought, and when I got it, I'm like, yes, this is the perfect size. And comes with the double strap. It also came with the blue stickers still, so I think it's new condition. Although there are like really faint scratches on the back, which honestly, can you even notice? No. Look with like a microscope to really notice those scratches, but it's so cute. It's perfect for a crossbody and a shoulder bag. The reason why I got rid of the Gucci was because I wasn't even using it. You can only wear it as like a shoulder bag. For me personally, I have a bigger chest, so it won't fit crossbody. I know the trend is to wear it like a short crossbody, and that wouldn't have worked for me, unfortunately. But yeah, this bag is way more relaxed and way more casual than the other bag that I had, and I thought this was like a perfect trade for it. So like I said, the silver hardware, let me open it up. The magnet is really strong. It really reminds me of my Loulou, and yeah, this one comes with its original dust bag, like this. Yeah. And its authenticity card. Let me open right here. So like I said before, it just opens up like so. Boom. It has plenty of space on the inside. Just a big hole. And I heard from all the reviews and all the videos that I've seen on YouTube, they say that the lambskin is more durable than like your Chanel lambskin. So I am so excited to wear this. Like, it's crazy. So now I'll just do a little comparison between the different leathers of my Loulou. Obviously they're gonna be a lot different, but I just want to show you side by side what the small and like the toy size look like. So this is a comparison. Oh my gosh. Even though they're both Loulous, they're like completely different. Even though they both kind of have like the same similar style with the quilting, this one is obviously a lot bigger. And just wanted to show you and compare the two with the sizes. You see the Loulou is more like boxy, like straight, you know? While this one looks like a triangle on the side, and it makes it better when you wear it as a shoulder bag, and it doesn't feel uncomfortable underneath your arm. So functionality wise, this one does a lot more and fit a lot more, but this one is definitely like my go-to date night bag. So this guy is gonna be worn all year round for sure. And now for the Pochette accessoire. Oh my gosh. Honestly, my collection is completely fulfilled. I don't think I could ask for any other bag. And I'm just gonna compare it to my Toiletry 19. They both have the little extender on the outside so that you can open the bag up. Because you can just tell like the patina has more honey. This one's like brand spanking new, so you can tell the difference. But yeah, you could both wear these as crossbodies. This one would be a lot harder because you don't have like the D-rings to hook your crossbody strap on. That's the reason why I wanted this, and it's so cute. I've been loving the little on the shoulder look, and it's so cute. I'll probably make another video about this if y'all want. So these are the two bags or pouches combined. Let's see, they're both pretty even for how wide they are. Wow, can't believe I have this. I've been wanting this for so long, you have no idea. That concludes my little unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm probably gonna cut this video like hell because I feel like I was talking for centuries. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know I've been filming a lot of videos about luxury, and my next video is for sure gonna be a mukbang. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Please like and subscribe and click that notification bell to be updated on when I'll make my next video. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you soon.